Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, a quick alert or a warning or just something to keep in your repertoire of trading. You can see Bitcoin futures closed Friday at 4 p.m. at 45,675, down 2%, and the current price of Bitcoin on the spot price is $45,857.91. So that's a spread of only about $200, but that is a gap, a CME futures gap. And by gap, we mean because the futures market doesn't trade 24 hours a day. It only trades 5 p.m. Sunday through 4 p.m. Friday, 24 hours a day. So the gap that's in between, you can see right now, if we put a price label on where it closed at, 45,450, so that's close enough. If we go over to the spot price of Bitcoin right now and mark that same spot, 45,000, we use this, 40, what was it, 45,675, 45,600, right about there is where the futures price closed. What usually happens, there's not a big gap, so it's not really going to happen today. But the futures price closed below where the price is now, so that's a gap, but it's not very big. It's only a $200 gap. So what could happen is you pop up here on the open, and then you quickly sell off to close the gap real quick, because they like to close the gap. But usually, if the futures closed down there and the price was way up here over the weekend, like you skyrocketed, usually on the open, you would come right back down and fill the gap. So it's not a real big gap, but it's something to watch out for as the futures opens. If we quickly, like last weekend, we quickly pumped up on Sunday night when the futures opened, and then about an hour into it, we rolled over and started a big fall, right? So I would look for a quick pop up in Bitcoin when the futures come online at 4 p.m. tonight, maybe up to $46,469. And then I think you would sell back off and close the gap down here at the $45,600 mark. And you can see in a little diagram what a Bitcoin gap is you see the futures close in that circle area right there. And then when the futures opened, it gapped up to where the price was. And then the price quickly falls back down to close that gap, as you can see later on down the line in the picture, right? That's what we're looking for tonight. Keep an eye on that with the CME futures. They open at 4 p.m. There's about a $250 gap. Look for a little pop off in Bitcoin and then a quick sell off to close that gap. And then we can move on from there. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Peace and love. Peace and love.